Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we're going to be doing a hair tutorial. I am so excited to be showing you guys what I'm going to be doing to my hair and what products and extensions that I'm going to be using. I'm going to make this flat hair voluminous, thick, and looking good, girl. But if you guys are interested in seeing what I'm going to do to my hair, then keep on watching. So what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be adding extensions, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to add the clip-in extensions and make your hair voluminous. My hair is it's kind of long. It's a little bit past my, let's see. It's not quite yet to my butt, but it's kind of long. But when you wear extensions, it does make your hair voluminous. It makes your hair more thicker and just look better altogether. The hair extensions that I'm going to be installing today are from Irresistible Me, and they are in 24 inches in jet black. So let me just show you guys what they look like. So it's pretty long. So this is longer than my hair, and they're pretty dark, and it's kind of a good match though. I dye my hair with a hair dye from Clairol. Usually I do black or I do blue black. The last 2 times I've done blue black. So it's kind of a good match. You can't really tell the difference in my hair. So I'm going to be installing these, and I'm so excited to get that long, voluminous hair. So I'm just going to be showing you guys like all the products that I use for my hair to install the clip-in extensions. You guys, it's like so easy to install. So you want to treat these like real hair, you guys. It's so soft. And it has the clip-ins in here. I know they have like different type of extensions that you can install like in the salon, but these ones are so easy. So if you can see right here's a clip-in. So what you do is you open them like that, and then you clip your hair in and then close it. So what I like to do, you can just brush them out so it doesn't look too nappy. So I just take any comb and then just brush the hair out. So this part here is the bigger weft. So this part is actually going to go in the middle of your hair. And I already have all my goodies set on my table. What I like to do before I apply the extensions, I already applied heat protectant in my hair because I did straighten it like earlier in the day. So I like to use a Kenra heat protectant spray. I just spray this all in my hair. You can use this when you wet your hair, but also you can use it when it's dry to straighten it, so that way it protects from heat. And then what I like to do before I curl my hair, like if you're doing curls, because my hair is like so fine, it's not as thick as it used to be. I like to use a Kenra texturing spray. So this works really well to hold the curls, because like I said, my hair is like thin and the curls don't really stay. So I like to use that before. And then what I like to use before I apply the extensions, I like to tease the part where I'm going to apply the extensions. I also like to use this texturizing powder from Hairitage. Their stuff is like really good, you guys, and it's very affordable. So that way the extensions can stay in there, because the extensions do tend to stay in your hair better when your hair is dirty, and my hair is only like a day or 2 dirty. It hasn't been that many days. So that's why I like to use the powder. So now if your hair is like 4 days dirty, you don't need it because you have your natural oils on your scalp and it will stay put. So I got my hair tie here, and then I'm going to actually part it in the middle, so that way I can apply the big weft in the middle of my scalp. Just like if we're going to do like a half and half, we're going to do that. So I'm going to turn around so you guys can see how I parted my hair. So it's like half and half. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get that texturizing powder, and I'm just going to actually just put it in my hair. Just like that, and then just kind of spread it out. I know I probably put a lot, but that's okay. And just kind of spread it out. The more you put, the better, because like I said, the clip-in extensions like to tend to stick better on dirty hair. So I'm going to comb it out again. And I already sprayed the heat protecting spray on the extensions. You want to do the same thing, treat it like real hair. And you don't have to comb them really well because we're going to curl it. Because it just looks better curled with the extensions. Because I have like my hair is in layers. So I don't know. I did them straight one time, but it kind of looks a little weird because you can kind of tell some parts where it looks long when I wear my hair extensions. But today we're going to curl it because that just makes it look better. So I already opened all the clips. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see. So I'm going to start like in the middle of my scalp. And all you literally do is just catch the clips on your hair and then just close them. And it clips right in. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray the texturizing spray in my hair for my curls. What I like to do is I like to spray it in my hands and kind of disperse it everywhere. Otherwise, it's going to not spray that well. It's going to be like sticky hot mess. So once that part is in my hair, what I like to do is I kind of go halfway where I did the extensions, and we're going to tease it a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit more of the texturizing powder, and then I'm going to take my brush and just kind of tease it a little bit like this. That way it doesn't look lumpy in your hair where the extensions clip-in part is, because it will look lumpy. So that's what we'll do. So this weft here is a little less volumized and it's one more less clip. So where I teased it at, I'm going to go back in and just get my hair tie and then apply them again. So grab the hair, clip it, grab the hair, clip it, grab the hair and clip it. And that's like literally it. Now if you wanted to, you can go ahead and just leave it this way. I'm zoom you guys out a little bit so you guys can see what I'm talking about. If you wanted to, you can just leave it this way. Do you see how long it is? You guys can see my little belly, but see how it kind of looks funny? It doesn't go with my hair. So that's why we want to curl it, because the curls are going to make it look better. If you want, you can just leave it this way, or you can add some here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the rest of my wefts, the ones that I have here. I'm going to curl it, fast forward so you guys can see the curls, and then we'll be back with the finished look. Okay guys, let me back up to show you. So this is how it's going to look. I like more of the loose curls than the tight curls when you do your hair this long. But you see how it just goes all together now? It doesn't look weird at all anymore. And then you can just kind of tease it up and just kind of make it look voluminous like it's your hair. Pretty simple. I love having extensions. It's like makes your hair so thick and it looks like so good, like sexy. So they look really good. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you want to see more hair tutorials. I know my hair isn't always like bomb, but with these extensions, anybody's hair can look bomb. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Give me a thumbs up and like if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.